Ready for more? Oh, you're just an eating maniac. Yes, you are. What a good boy. Say hi, Bruce.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
He's eating.
He is chowing. This is a marathon. We got a We got an Iron Man here.
Whoa.
He's got it down since last week.
I guess.
Oh, that's so good. So Bruce says, I really like my nummies. We better slow down. You're going to get the hiccups.
For information, this video is shot in real time. This is not time-lapsed. He's eating like a maniac. I mean...
This is his second meal today, too.
Oh my God, we can't keep up.
Oh, there's your leg. You want more? There you go. What a good boy. What? Oh, he was ready for the next bite. I was like, what is he doing? Are you ready for Bruce's Diet Coke? You saw that sucker go by you, huh? What's that? Oh, just more. What is that, huh? Boy, you're gonna have pancakes and bacon tomorrow, huh? Num num num.
Wow.
Raymond.
That is
I'm not
shit.
even putting very much on the spoon because
he's lunging towards his food.
Because he's going so fast. I'm worried about him. Thank goodness you don't need to chew this stuff because you won't be chewing, huh? No, I wouldn't be chewing.
Wow. That is unbelievable.
Poor baby. Too bad we starved him all day, huh?
No.
I mean,
kidding.
he's had, let's see, he had a bottle before his morning nap, then he woke up from his morning nap and had a whole container